Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making a dream catcher. It's so simple and easy, just keep on watching till the end of the video. But before starting the video, if you are new or haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. So yeah, let's get started. So for making this DIY dream catcher, first we'll need some color balls and a metal ring. I didn't have a metal ring, so I'm cutting the inside part of this rangoli stencil. If you want, you can do what I'm doing, or you can buy a metal ring. And take a colored wool and just tie a knot to secure the wool to the ring. And then start rotating the wool around the metal ring. And after you finish rotating, just cut the excess wool and glue it down. Just do it in section red, orange, yellow, green, purple and blue. Half and repeat the colors again. And of course you can use whatever color you want. I wanted to make a rainbow themed dream catcher, so yeah. And then just cover the whole ring with all these colors. Now after you finish covering the ring, take a piece of thread with a needle tie and tie a knot with the end of the thread to secure the thread nicely and cut the excess part of the thread. And then just carefully follow these steps I am doing. It's a bit tricky, but if you watch this video carefully, you will understand how to make it. And when you will reach the point where you started, just tie 2-3 knots to secure the thread nicely and just cut the excess thread. And then take another colored wool with a needle tie and start doing the exact same method, but start from the middle of the previous thread. Then just repeat the same process with the rest of the colors till you reach the middle point. I'll just show you how to do the last one. Just do the same exact method, but lines are smaller, so it will be difficult. So do it carefully, don't miss any lines. And when you are done, tie a knot and take any bead you like, but it should be big, and then insert the bead into the thread with the help of the needle. And after inserting, again tie a knot and just cut the excess part of the thread. And we are done with this part. I have made these feathers in all the colors of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, purple and blue. If you want to know how to make it, just let me know in the comments down below. And then take the ring that we made and a thread of any size you like and fold the thread in half, and then tie a loop wherever you want on the ring. I am using a white thread. And then take whichever beads you like and then insert them in the thread. And tie knot to secure the beads. Then take 6 threads, 2 small, 2 medium size, 2 bigger than both of them. And then take a thread and fold it in half and take the feather that we made. Then insert the thread in the hoop of the feather and tie 2-3 knots. And do the same with the other threads. I have some beads, so I'll just put these beads randomly in all these threads. Then tie a knot like I am doing. And do the same with all these threads. And we are done. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then do like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates. And comment down below if you want me to do a voiceover again.